What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Billshowto. Today I'll be showing you guys how to remove carpet from your bedrooms. So what we've got here is the carpet and underlay that's about to be removed. All you need is a utility knife, making sure it's nice and sharp. So all you want to do is just cut into sections that are easy to manage and roll up. So starting from one end, work your way all the way through. Just like that. Then you want to get your fingers underneath, come up to the start and simply pull that. So just working your way all the way around. Once you've got that piece, you can simply roll it out. And then you're left with the underlay. So just pull that one out. And there you have it, guys. That's how to remove your carpet. Nice and easy. If there's anything else you guys want to learn how to do in or around your house, don't forget to put it in the comment section below. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.